I'm starting my SIP portfolio from scratch and you guys wanted to see me do my research. So let's see how AI can help me with this. I believe in SIPs with purpose rather than having SIPs without any purpose or goal. So keeping that in mind, I'm going to be having 5 funds in my portfolio and I'm going to tell you exactly why. So the first fund that I'll be having my money in is going to be my travel fund. Here I can tolerate some kind of downside risk, meaning I can tolerate some kind of negative returns, but I would prefer if my funds stay intact rather than going downhill. Fund number two will be more of a growth based fund because this is where I'm going to be gaining a lot of equity exposure. I can tolerate high risk over here, meaning I'm comfortable facing losses, but only if I get compensated with the returns for the same. My fund number three will be like a safety cushion against all of my funds. It's going to be making up for all the risk that I'll be taking. So it's going to be like a safer investment for me. So I'm comfortable with fixed amount of returns, but I don't want losses at all. Fund number four is going to be like my emergency fund. This is where I don't care about returns. This is also where I don't want any losses either. Fund number five is the last fund that I'll be having in my portfolio. This is going to be for the global commodities exposure. This fund is going to protect me from the global uncertainties. Now let's upload this to ChatGPT and ask him what will be the best portfolio allocation strategy for me.